Nobody fails at freelancing because they are bad at the skill. Most of them, they fail because they never figure out how to get the first client. That's it. That's the entire barrier between I know how to do this and I get paid to do this. About myself, my name is Shivangi. I started my career as a software engineer, transitioned into product manager, and moved to Dubai. Parallelly, I started building my own agency. Its name is Brandinia. We have helped 60 plus founders and executives build their LinkedIn presence. That sort of LinkedIn presence which generates leads, build personal brand, and our content has crossed 20 million organic views. But you know what? None of this happened in one day. It took years to build it. So with my expertise and experience, I wanted to test something on camera today from zero. Can a complete beginner with no clients or testimonials, nothing, land their first paying clients in exactly 7 days? We'll target one service, one client, the real messages that we can send them to close, what replies we can get, all of that we'll discuss in the video. This can be applied to anyone who's freelancing, selling their services and looking for their first client. Here's what I'm offering just to do the testing part. I help Indian founders and coaches turn their expertise into LinkedIn content that actually gets them noticed. So if you see there's a targeted sentence, it is a targeted problem statement and it will give you a targeted outcome. And by the end of the video, you'll have the exact 7-day system, offer, proof, outreach, skills, follow-ups, built to work for any freelancing service, not just this one. So make sure you stick with me in this video till the end if this topic interests you. Let's start with day 1. Now, before we get into day 1 to day 7, what you have to exactly do to get your first client, let's first understand that why this is important and why this works in 2026. India already has the largest freelancer base with over 15 million registered freelancers, which is more than any country in the world. And it's not slowing down. India's freelancer economy is one of the fastest growing in the world, contributing to an estimated $25 billion to the economy, with 60% of Indian freelancers under the age of 30. So if you see, there is huge opportunity and the people who are interested and enthusiastic about doing it are majorly under the age of 30. But here's the part nobody talks about. Since the opportunity is increasing, the awareness is also increasing, and hence the competition is also increasing. And now cold outreach, which was one of the easiest way to get clients earlier, is not working properly anyways. And if you see, the average reply rate on any generic copy-pasted outreach has dropped to around 3 to 4% in 2026, mostly because inboxes are flooded with the same templated pitch. And on the other hand, personalized, specific outreach references the person's actual work, actual problem, performs completely different. Reply rate jumps to 15 to 18%, roughly 4 to 5 times higher than a generic pitch. That gap is the whole point of the video because generic pitches get ignored and specific and targeted ones only get the replies. So every script, every message or template that we'll be talking about in this video for each day are built around the same principle. And this is the same principle followed behind every client Brandinia ever landed. Before we start, a quick note: if you are not into LinkedIn content, I'm targeting mostly the LinkedIn ghostwriters because my company also majorly does that. But it doesn't mean that the steps that I'm going to tell you are focusing only them. So you have to understand that the process underneath does not care what you are selling. If you're a video editor, swap LinkedIn posts to 4 edited reels. If you're a resume writer, swap it to 1 ATS friendly resume. If you're a virtual assistant, a designer, social media manager, or a copywriter, you are going to follow the same 5 steps with different deliverables. So technically the offer changes, but the system doesn't. So along with me, if you are also going to follow this experiment, there is a rule that you have to follow. Copy it but customize it as per your own version. So when you're looking for a client, you have to keep in mind one thing, that you have to pitch only one thing, not a service where I do everything is written everywhere. You have to pitch one thing. Next, when you look for client, you have to look for a single type of client, not that I'll work for anyone who pays me. You have to confine yourself to fixed number of days. Here, let's consider we'll look for clients for 7 days, not 7 weeks. And we'll target a fixed number of prospects, let's say 7 in this case, and we'll track all the data into a spreadsheet. So starting with day 1, you have to first pick up one offer. Most people fail before they send a single message because their offer is too vague. I do social media marketing competes with every agency in the country. I turn your expertise into LinkedIn posts that get you noticed by the right people in 7 days. Competes with almost nobody because it's specific enough that the client can say yes immediately. Here's the exact offer I will build for the system. Target clients, Indian founders, coaches and consultants who have real expertise but an inconsistent or boring LinkedIn presence. The problem that we will solve, they know they should be posting, but they don't have the time, the hooks or the structure to turn what's there in their head into a content that performs. Then we'll talk about the deliverables. 4 LinkedIn posts written from a 20-minute conversation about their experience and expertise And the timeline is 7 days. What all is included? So 4 posts, 1 round of revision each, a content calendar suggestion. And what's excluded is no daily posting management, no paid ad campaigns, no unlimited revisions. A small but defined package is easier for a stranger to say yes rather than a vague monthly retainer package. Now if you see, that's the whole point of day 1. Shrink your offer or package until it becomes a yes or no question, not a negotiation. Day 2, you have to build the proofs even if you have never worked with any clients or you've not had any clients until now. This is a problem which every freelancer faces. You need client to get the proof and you need proof to get the client. The workaround for this is build a proof without the client. What you can do is take a founder's public interview, podcast or existing LinkedIn comments and rewrite 2 to 3 sample posts in their voice, clearly labeled as a self-initiated sample. That's going to be your portfolio on day 2. But you know what? A few sample posts sitting in your Google Doc is not going to close any deals for you. The professional way to do it is you create a link, send that link to your potential client, and this shows that you're not doing it for the first time. You're not noob. You very well know how you are doing and what you are doing. So this is why I built my one-page portfolio site. Earlier it used to take days for people to build this, but now with the AI tools it has become super easy. I used Hostinger Horizon to build it. You describe what you want in plain English and it builds a complete professional website for you in minutes. No code, no page builder, no fiddling with the templates here and there. So yeah, let's build it together. If you go on Chrome or Safari, this is how the Hostinger Horizon dashboard looks like. You'll be able to see 4 plans: Explorer, Starter, Hobbies and Hustler. For a freelancer portfolio site, Explorer or Starter is more than enough. Let's go ahead with the most popular plan. Now, since you're building the portfolio website with AI, you have to describe what you want very well. Let's write the prompt together. Create a clean, minimal one-page portfolio site for a LinkedIn ghostwriter called as Postcraft, who helps Indian founders and coaches turn their expertise into content that builds their personal brand. Include a hero section with a strong headline, a section showing 3 sample before and after LinkedIn posts, a short about section explaining the process, a simple pricing section with 1 starter package and a contact section with a booking link. Color scheme: deep navy, white and 1 accent gold. Design should feel professional and trustworthy for founders and consultants. So if you see, you're not doing any plugins or dragging the boxes here and there. The whole page comes together automatically, structured exactly the way a client scanning it on the phone would expect it to be. But AI never gives a satisfactory response in one go, so we have to refine the prompt to get the best output. Now let's refine the prompt. We'll enter, change the hero headline to "You have the expertise." Let's turn it into content people actually stop scrolling for. 4 LinkedIn posts written from your voice delivered in 7 days. Add a button that says "See sample posts" and add a trust line near the hero section that says "Built for busy founders and coaches, no writing required from you, delivery in 7 days." Once you're done with this, you hit the publish button and your website is live instantly. SSL is included, custom domain is connected in the same dashboard. Now this link that we created, we are going to paste this link in every single message from day 4 onwards. And this is the difference when you say that "Trust me, I can do this" versus you say "Here it is, look at it." If you're also looking forward to using Hostinger Horizon, link is there in my description. Do not forget to use my coupon code to get additional discount. For day 3, let's find 30 prospects the right way. Now, people who start freelancing and selling their particular service, they go on LinkedIn or Instagram or any other platform and they start messaging everyone. This way you do a lot of work, but actually you're not targeting the right people, and that is the reason you're not getting responses. So you have to message people who visibly have the problem your offer solves. So start by doing this. Build a spreadsheet with these columns: name, company, LinkedIn profile, what they already post, the specific gap you noticed, date contacted, reply status, and follow-up date. Now split your 30 prospects into 3 groups: 10 warm contacts, people who already know you; 10 relevant LinkedIn connections in your target industry; 10 founders or consultants whose posts you've already read. Now look specifically for people who post inconsistently and the ones whose posts are generic and get very little engagement despite having the expertise. That mismatch between having the real knowledge and weak presentation is the exact problem your offer fixes. Now day 4, you have to send the actual messages. Here's the exact message I would send word by word and why each line is there. To warm contacts, we are going to send this message. Cold prospects, this is the message that we will send. So can you identify what is missing? So we're not saying any free full project. And we're also not saying great content in a generic way. And since you know the people you are messaging, you're not mass blasting the energy. You have to focus on one specific observation, one small offer, and a low pressure question. That's the exact pattern behind the 15 to 18% reply rates we talked about earlier. Focus on specificity and not the volume. Now before we move on in this video, let me know in the comments that which service are you going to offer if you are going to try this experiment for 7 days. Okay, so now moving on to day 5. This is where people go too wider or they do not diversify at all. Day 5 will focus on one marketplace, one post, and your existing network. So these are the 3 moves that you have to focus on day 5. Now, since you're looking for freelancing clients, you don't have to restrict yourself to one particular platform. Diversify your search and apply to 5 highly relevant freelance jobs on any freelancing platform or LinkedIn with a customized proposal, not a copy-pasted one. This is how my proposal opener would look like. Post one before and after post on your LinkedIn, tagging it as your own experiment. Then message your existing network directly. And this messaging is not to ask for work, but to tell them what you are doing right now. I know, and this has happened with me a lot of times, that your first 5 to 10 messages will get ignored like anything. But trust me when I say this, if you're tailoring and customizing your message as per your clients and attaching your portfolio link, there is high probability that your message will get read at least. With this, we come to day 6, where you have to follow up and handle the replies that you have got. This is the step almost everyone misses, and it is costing them a lot of replies. Why I'm telling this to you is, the founders you are reaching out, the coaches, consultants you are reaching out are mostly the busy people. And like you, there are so many other people, other services offering them. They come and reach out to them. So there is high probability that your message is getting ignored. What is the best way to get the reply is to follow up. Now, if you see, nearly half of all cold outreach replies come specifically from the follow-up message, not the first one. Yet roughly half of the people never send a second message at all. And I don't understand, I've heard this personally also from so many people, that they do not believe in sending a follow-up message. I mean, what do they think? I don't understand. So once you're done sending your first message, after 5 to 6 days, you have to send a follow-up message. This is the kind of message that I will send. Now, when I say you have to send a follow-up message, you have to do that. But one follow-up message is fine. You don't have to send multiple. And if you're even targeting to send multiple follow-up message, there should be 3. And that too in a gap of 6 to 7 days. Now let's assume that we get a client who agrees to get on a call. Here are the 5 questions that I will ask my client. What do they already talk about? What results do they want from LinkedIn? How much time can they give me per week? Who approves the final post? And what's the timeline in their head? Now, if you follow all of these, in the best case scenario, you will land at least your first client. But let's say we consider the worst scenario and you did not land any clients, but you got 2 people on the call and you talked to them. They did not get converted. That's another part of the story. So if you got 2 serious conversation, it tells that the offer needs either more proof, tighter targeting, or more time to convert. So once you identify that, you have to revisit the same place where you're going wrong and you have to fix it and reiterate on the process. Now, people who are building agency like me or who are landing their freelancing clients are not the ones who send message to clients and they get replies always. This never happens. This will happen a lot of times that you're sending hundreds of messages, but none of them are landing. But things do work. We were able to work with 60 plus clients, generate more than 20 million organic views. And it happens because the ones that worked because they were specific, and I kept sending the next anyways. Even in freelance market as large as India's, most cold outreach still gets ignored. Average reply rate across the board still sits to 3 to 5%, even for people who have been doing this for years. So if for you also day 3 or day 4 feels like shouting into the void, you are not alone. You're exactly at the same place where every freelancer was before they landed their first client. So the difference between the ones who get their first clients in the first month and the ones who quit is not talent. It's whether they sent their 26th message after they got ghosted in the last 25 messages or got no replies. So if you're going to start this experiment, do let me know in the comment section. If there is anything you did not understand, I would be more than happy to answer that as well. And if this video helped you, if you liked the video, do not forget to hit the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post my new video. And yeah, if you're someone who's looking forward to ways to make money from AI, you can check out this video. Thank you so much.